This video will show you how to create text reveal effect in CapCut PC. First, I added video on the timeline. Click on the text section. Click on a small plus to add text. Write any text you want in the black box. Right below it, you can choose a font. I set the text border a little lower. Stretch the text over the entire video. Right-click on the text and select Create Compound Clip. Go to the video and then go to the mask. Place the text where you want it. Select Horizontal and set the angle to 270 degrees. Set the mask so that it covers the entire text, and at the same time move to the place where the vertical line intersects the person walking. Add mask keyframe. Now let the person in the video move a bit and move the mask towards them. Repeat this process until the entire text appears, and you are done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.